You see that? I was inside title boxing right there. And you got to escalate your blood pressure. You got to escalate your health. That's kind of what I was thinking about with this education anyway. So escalation clause, here it is. I've had a bunch of people ask me about escalation clause and give me your opinion on it. So we're going to start right into it. An escalation clause is pretty much basically making an offer and giving the right to escalate your offer higher and higher, right? It's almost like an auction to the seller. But let me give you an example why I do not like them. Let's say I have a house for sale, it's $100,000. I have 3 offers. The first one comes in at $150,000. They're like, we really want it, we're gonna give you $150,000, $50,000 over. The second one is $125,000, still an amazing offer. Maybe one's giving me an appraisal gap, the other one's not. The third one, I'll give you $100,000 with an escalation clause of $1,000 higher than the best offer. Well, why should the $1,000 higher than the best offer be better than the $150,000 when the $150,000 is coming in straight right away? Like I'm here, I'm giving you $150,000. I want this house. You know, I'm still looking at inspection days and whatnot. But the other one's almost like, I'll give you $100,000 and $1,000 over. I get it. They don't want to overpay, but the person that's giving me $150,000, they're the strong buyer. Now, this is where an escalation clause can work. If you were the offer and you said, I'll give you $130,000 or $140,000 plus $1,000. So you're coming in strong and you're saying, not only am I strong, I'll also give you more money. But I barely ever see that. For me, someone that's using the escalation clause or the agents that are using it and they're using it incorrect are like, they're not, to me, showing how strong they are. That's not a strong offer. If you're coming in at full price and then saying, I'll give you $1,000 over, because you're also limiting yourself. You should never limit it. You should say, I'll give more money than anyone. And then if you come back and say, well, the highest offer was this, you have it, then you can say no. I'm going to go more into detail on it. I'm going to draw it on a dry erase board so you can see exactly how to use the de-escalation clause better and why I don't like it. But if you use it the way I tell you should use it, it'd be a lot stronger.